Threat research takes time out of your day that you don't have. Worst of all, it makes it nigh impossible to actually mitigate risk. You know, the whole point of cybersecurity? Fletch knows threats. We constantly scan open source threat intelligence for the freshest insights. Ask Fletch puts the entirety of our knowledge to work for you. Here's how easy it is. Say you work in finance. Just ask Fletch. What are some of the top threats targeting my industry? You don't need any technical language or details. Simply ask what you want to know. In a matter of seconds, your answer appears. It goes beyond simple queries. You can have a full conversation on a threat with Fletch. For example, you may want to learn more about that threat targeting your industry. Ask what technologies it's targeting. Unfortunately, it looks like this threat is targeting both your industry and technology that you use. But thanks to Fletch, you're ahead of it. Next, ask for mitigation strategies. Of course, knowing how to fix the threat is only half the battle. You still need to write a brief for your leadership team. Unless Fletch could help. Much better. Now, your work on this threat is done. You've got peace of mind in record time, thanks to Fletch.